Hi! My name is Lyza and I decided to join this competition because I believe that this is the talent that God gave me and I want to show it to the world. But before to the world, to our company first! In order to show the world that one of the best reasons to keep us going in these toughest times is our family. As you can see, that the mom is a call center agent, taking calls while her kids are there to support her, even if they don't exactly know what her mom is doing. These kids might be a struggle on the mom's job, but somehow, these kids are the reason why the mom keeps on fighting the good fight. This applies to every one of us. Keeping our faith to God and keep pushing on in every circumstances and difficulties we might face. Let's all spread our talent with a purpose.
Everything is beautiful and no one feels the pain. So when the winter turns to spring, I'll be born again. She's got summer in her hair, there are flowers everywhere, and I'm falling into my drink. See a glimmer in your eye as you see her passing by, further into my chair I can't sink. Still everything is beautiful and no one feels the pain.
Though some days can be a struggle, it's important to have something or someone that will motivate, inspire, and help us stay positive and keep moving forward.
It's my dad that defines me. We say everything is beautiful and no one feels the pain. So when the winter turns to spring, I'll be born again. Keep saying everything is beautiful and no one feels the pain. Keep saying everything is beautiful and it will be alright.